What if Mazda took everything we love about simplicity and pushed it into the future? Meet the 2027 Mazda CX-30, a compact SUV that no longer plays it safe. From what we can see here, this isn't just an update. This is a complete design evolution. And today, we're breaking it all down from its bold exterior presence to its refined interior, and what could be powering this next-generation machine. Let's get started. Starting from the front, and this is where everything changes. The traditional Mazda grille is still here, but now it's wider, lower, and more aggressive, finished in a deep black mesh pattern that blends seamlessly into the body. Right above it, you'll notice something striking. The illuminated Mazda lettering replaces the conventional badge. This is a huge shift toward a more premium and futuristic identity. The headlights? Ultra slim, razor sharp. They stretch horizontally like a light blade, giving the car a very clean and modern face, almost EV-inspired. And then, vertically integrated LED daytime running lights sit on both edges of the bumper, adding that high-tech signature look, especially visible in the night driving shots. Now moving to the side profile. This is where Mazda's design philosophy really shines. The body is smooth, sculpted, and minimal, with almost no harsh lines, just flowing surfaces. You can see how the matte black finish enhances those curves, giving it a stealthy, upscale presence. The proportions feel just right. Slightly long hood, compact rear, wide stance, and those black multi-spoke wheels? They complete the look, making the car feel sporty, planted, and premium. Now to the rear design. Clean, simple, but very modern. The taillights feature a circular LED signature, giving it a distinctive identity at night. Across the tailgate, again, we see the illuminated Mazda lettering, reinforcing that new design language. The rear bumper integrates subtle exhaust shapes and vertical lighting elements, adding a bit of aggression without overdoing it. Overall, the exterior feels like a perfect balance between luxury, sportiness, and futuristic simplicity. Step inside, and the philosophy continues. The cabin is clean, horizontal, and driver-focused. Right in front of you, a digital instrument cluster paired with a wide infotainment display sitting neatly on the dashboard, not oversized, but perfectly integrated. Mazda keeps physical controls where they matter. Climate buttons are still tactile. A rotary controller sits in the center console. This tells us one thing. This interior is built for real driving, not just for show. Materials? From the images we can see. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching. Soft touch surfaces across the dashboard. Metallic accents that add a refined touch. And the layout feels spacious yet intimate, especially in the point of view driving shots. Visibility is excellent, and the driving position feels natural, very much in line with Mazda's driver-first philosophy. Now, Mazda hasn't officially confirmed specs for this exact model yet, but based on their current direction, we can expect a few possibilities. Most likely, the 2027 CX-30 will come with an updated Skyactiv G engine, or a more efficient mild hybrid or hybrid system and possibly even a plug-in hybrid variant, considering the industry shift. Performance-wise, expect smooth acceleration, excellent balance, and that signature Mazda driving feel responsive, but refined. This isn't about raw power. It's about connection between driver and machine. Looking at the design and positioning, the 2027 CX-30 is clearly moving up market. So pricing could start around $28,000 to $35,000 USD, depending on the variant. Higher trims with hybrid tech and premium features could push it even further. Based on the design maturity and current trends, we can expect the 2027 Mazda CX-30 to debut sometime in late 2026 to early 2027, with global availability rolling out shortly after. So, what do you think? Has Mazda just redefined what a compact SUV should look like? Because from these images alone, the 2027 CX-30 feels like more than just a refresh. It feels like a statement that simplicity can still be bold, and that design doesn't need to be loud to stand out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose this over rivals like the CR-V or Corolla Cross? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.